Ah, YouTube, the platform where dreams are made and fortunes are won. I've stumbled upon some fascinating videos claiming to reveal the secrets of making money on YouTube. We'll explore a wide range of popular niches on YouTube, covering everything from gaming to effective ways of making money online. And an annual income starting from $0 to $100 in the first year. The amount of money you can earn from YouTube ads depends on various factors. Firstly, the number of views your videos receive plays a crucial role. Generally, the more views you accumulate, the higher your revenue potential. However, it's important to note that not all views generate ad revenue. Ads are only shown on monetized videos, which means you need to meet certain eligibility requirements and enable monetization on your YouTube channel. So it's all about finding your niche, being authentic, and delivering engaging content. But let's be honest, making money on YouTube isn't a walk in the park. It requires dedication, creativity, and a whole lot of hard work. But here's the kicker. Earning money on YouTube goes beyond just ad revenue. You have the opportunity to tap into multiple income streams. From sponsored content and brand partnerships to merchandise sales and even crowdfunding, there are numerous ways to monetize your YouTube channel and boost your income. Number 3 on our list is the personal finance niche. Now, who doesn't want to learn how to manage their money better, save more, and build wealth? Personal finance is a niche that appeals to a wide audience, from beginners looking for basic financial advice to experienced investors seeking advanced strategies. As a content creator in this niche, you can cover topics like budgeting, investing, retirement planning, real estate, credit cards, and much more. Moving on to the second niche on our list, digital marketing. In today's digital age, businesses are constantly seeking ways to expand their online presence and reach their target audience effectively. That's where digital marketing experts come in, offering valuable insights and strategy. As a digital marketing YouTuber, you can share tips on social media marketing, search engine optimization, content creation, email marketing, and more. Last but certainly not least, we have the making money online niche. This niche is all about exploring various methods and strategies to generate income through online platforms. It's an incredibly popular topic because it appeals to those seeking financial independence and the freedom to work from anywhere. As a creator in this niche, you can explore a wide range of subtopics, including e-commerce, affiliate marketing, drop shipping, freelancing, and even YouTube monetization itself. By sharing your success stories, strategies, and insights, you can attract a motivated audience eager to learn from your experiences. And there you have it, folks. The top 3 most profitable niches on YouTube: personal finance, digital marketing, and making money online. Remember, finding success in any niche requires dedication, consistency, and valuable content that resonates with your audience. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Let us know in the comments which niche interests you the most and why. Until next time, keep creating and keep thriving.